These light and fluffy vegan banana pancakes are perfect for a lazy Sunday morning breakfast. But you don't have to save them just for the weekends. They're so easy to make and your family will love them that you can make them any day. And to top it all off, these vegan banana pancakes are good for you. Let me show you how we make them. Hi, I'm Stephanie and I share plant-based vegan recipes, tips, and product tests so that your transition to a healthy plant-based diet will be easier than mine was. So whether you want to add a few healthy plant-based meals to your family meal plan, or you want to go 100% vegan, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're going to first measure our oat flour. I like to use oat flour for my banana pancakes because it's a whole grain flour and it still makes a light and fluffy pancake. If you don't have oat flour, that's not a problem. Go ahead and put some quick oats or rolled oats into the blender and give them a whiz, and you'll have a nice whole grain flour for your pancakes. Next thing we're going to do is add some baking soda and some seasoning. We're going to use cinnamon and nutmeg, so a nice banana bread flavor. And then I always add a little bit of salt. We'll give that a quick mix, and then we can start working on our wet ingredients. For wet ingredients, we're going to do 2 fairly ripe bananas, and that should give you about a cup of mashed banana. You can use anything you like to mash your bananas. I like to use a potato masher because I think it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. So give those a mash. I don't mash them up too fine because I do like some banana chunks in my banana pancakes. Next thing we'll do is add some non-dairy milk, and then we can add some vanilla. Next we're going to add some maple syrup for sweetener and 3 tablespoons of plant butter. I like to use Country Crock plant butter for this, but if you don't have plant butter, you can use oil here. Give that a mix, and then we're going to add our dry ingredients to this, and we're going to just lightly mix this. We do not want it to be overmixed. There'll still be some lumps in there, and that will give us a nice tender pancake. Turn your griddle on to about 350 degrees. And even though this is a non-stick griddle, I always like to put a little cooking spray. These are low-fat pancakes, and I use a 1/3 cup measure to measure my pancakes out onto my griddle. I like to use some fun add-ins sometimes. You can eat your banana pancakes just like banana pancakes, or you can do some fun add-ins like chocolate chips. These are vegan chocolate chips. Or you can use some fruit like blueberries, so then you'll have a banana blueberry pancake, which is fantastic. That cannot be bad. All you have to do is put them right onto the back side of that, and when the pancake is ready, you can flip it over. And I like to top my banana pancakes with some peanut butter. I like to use Smucker's natural peanut butter here, and then I'll do some homemade applesauce on top, and it makes the most fantastic breakfast. It's got whole grain pancakes, you've got protein from your peanut butter, and 2 or 3 servings of fruit depending on how you do it. And this is a breakfast of champions, as we like to say. These are so good. Being vegan gets easier all the time. If you want to learn how to make vegan sausage out of oatmeal, let me show you how to do that right here.